Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to HSC Grade 5 Subject English. And in our previous lectures we have completed the review exercises of Unit 1 and Unit 2. Today we are going to read the story that is A Desert Drought Ends. So what is the meaning of drought? Drought means lack of something, lessness of something. So in deserts, obviously there is lack of water. So a desert drought ends means lessness of water ends. मीन्स के खुश्क साली ख़त्म हुई या फिर पानी की कमी ख़त्म हो गई. Okay, let's start reading. Just listen carefully. How hot is it in the desert? Some desert temperatures can be over 55 degrees centigrade. The animals that live there are trying to stay cool. How can they find water? It isn't easy. In fact, a terrible drought has dried up the only water that was in dry desert. Some of the animals live inside the cactus, which keeps them cool. Tiny bird and teeny bird are neighbors. They live in this cactus. When are we going to get some rain? Asks teeny bird. Tiny bird doesn't know. Kathy, the kangaroo rat, who jumps along on her back legs, hasn't had a drink of water in a long time. How far has she jumped in search of water? Probably several kilometers now. Toad rests in the shade of a tall cactus. When will we get some rain? Asks Leo the lizard. Kathy the kangaroo rat doesn't know. Kathy the kangaroo rat is exhausted from running around. She decides to go back to her home that is underground. She needs to rest and stay cool. Kathy settles down in her home. She wonders to herself, when are we going to get some rain? Suddenly, the sky gets dark. Toad starts running down the bed of a dry river. No water has flowed in this river for many days. There is a crash of thunder. Lightning lights up the dark sky. We are getting some rain, finally, yells Toad. The long drought is over. Hooray for the rain! Shout all the animals. Toad is very happy to see the water falling from the sky. The insects come out from the ground. Toad eats the insects with his long tongue. Says Toad. I love the rain. How long will it last? By evening, the rain clouds are gone. The rain has stopped, but the ground is wet. The river flows with water again. Coyote, who stands on a cliff by herself, is in a happy mood now that the drought has ended. Ow! She calls to Moon. Students, I hope you enjoyed the story of desert animals and insects. They all are waiting anxiously for water, for rainfall, and at last they get rain. They enjoyed a lot in the rain. And the lack of water ends now. Okay, you can see the questions at the end of the story. Question 1 is, what does Kathy the kangaroo rat wonder? So here is the answer of this question. And next, question 2, the insects come out from the ground. True or false? So this is true. And number 3, lightning lights up dash. Lightning lights up the dark sky. So आपने ये 3 क्वेश्चंस अपनी नोटबुक्स पर लिखने हैं और लिखने के बाद आपने क्वेश्चन 1 को अच्छी तरह याद करना है और इस रीडिंग को, स्टोरी को आपने एटलीस्ट 2 और 3 टाइम्स आपने इसकी रीडिंग करनी है विद एक्यूरेट एक्सेंट। और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है। आई होप आपको ये स्टोरी सुनने में भी आपने एंजॉय किया होगा और आप इसको पढ़कर भी एंजॉय करेंगे। आपने इसको बहुत अच्छी इसकी रीडिंग करनी है विद एक्यूरेट एक्सेंट, ठीक है। जैसे मैंने इसको रीड किया है सेम एज़ इट इज़ आपने इसको रीड करना है। और इसकी एक्सरसाइज की जो 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं ये आप अपनी नीट नोटबुक में नोट डाउन करने हैं। टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।